Good morning, students. Today I am here to discuss with you the next grammar topic, adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, or how often the work is done. For example, if I say, he did this work very easily. You can see here easily is written under how. So it is telling us how he did his work easily. So easily is adverb. So like this, that verb adds to the verb. It gives information about the verb, means about the work. I danced happily. So what I did? I danced. This is the work I did. But how I did this work? That is adverb. So here I danced happily. So happily is the adverb. Similarly, he spoke loudly. What he did? He spoke. But how he did this work? Loudly. He spoke loudly. So loudly is telling how the work is done. So loudly is adverb. Similarly, adverb also tells us when the work is done or where the work is done or how often the work is done. So you may have noticed one thing, that adverb tells about the work done. Whatever we do, if any word is telling something about that work, means how you have done that work, when you have done that work, where you have done that work, and how often you have done that work. This all information who gives? That verb gives. That's why that word is adverb, which gives the information about the verb, which is adding to the verb. So if I say he came here yesterday, so here now yesterday is adverb because it is telling when did he come. Along with the word yesterday, here is also an adverb. Do you know why? Because the word here is also giving information about the work done. He came. This we know what he did. He came. Where did he come? Here. So it is telling us that he came here. So it is telling the place of that work. So here is also adverb and yesterday is also adverb. Now if I say we play outside, okay, what we do? We play. Okay, what work we do? We play. But now which word is telling where this work was done? Where this work was done? The word outside is telling this. So outside is adverb because it is giving information about the work done. We play outside. So outside is adverb. Adverb of place. Adverb also tells us how often the work is done. Now, what is the meaning of how often? How often means how frequently, how many times you do the work. So, if the adverb tells you this information, then it is actually adverb of frequency. It tells you how often the work is done, how many times. For example, if I say, I I bath always. I bath always. Here, always is telling you that I take bath daily. So, always is telling how frequently you take bath. So, and always is adverb. Similarly, if I say I go for walk every day. So, every day is again telling us the frequency, means how many times you go for walk every day. Every day is adverb. So, what is adverb? Adverb tells us how the work is done, when the work is done, where the work is done, and how often the work is done. So, it is giving us full information about the work. The next thing is about the formation of adverbs. How an adverb can be formed. So, generally, we add ly to make adverbs. Like if any adjective is there, with some of the adjectives we add ly. You can see the table. Like cheap, we add ly to make adverb cheaply. Quick, quickly. Slow, just add ly, slowly. But some of the adjectives which ends with y, we have to replace the y with an I and add a ly. So first we have to cut y and add I. So like ready, readily, cut y, and write I, R-E-A-D-I-L-Y. Similarly, marry, merrily. You have to add I-L-Y. Similarly, easy, easily. Cut Y and add I-L-Y. Now, see the next thing. If any adjective ends with L-E, we have to just replace E at the end with Y. So just remove E and add Y. Understandable, understandably. Forcible, forcibly. Possible, possibly. So just cut E and add Y. Some of the words which ends with IC. With that words we have to add A double L-Y to make it adverb, like idiotic, idiotically. Tragic, tragically. Basic, basically. We have to add A double L-Y. And some of the adjectives do not change, it remains same, like fast, fast. We don't say fastly, it remains same. Straight, straight. Hard, hard, like he worked hard. And the last is in the case of adjective good, the adverb will be well. So if the adjective is good, it is changed to well. So learn this chart very nicely. Till then, take care. Bye bye.